afternoon, students. This is topic is trigonometry. First of all, what is trigonometry? It is branch of mathematics that provides relation between the sides and angles of triangles. This is trigonometry. It is branch of mathematics that provide relation between the sides and angles of triangle. This is a trigonometry Greek word. This is three common words. Trigonometric. This is three Greek words. Tri is equal to, it meanings of three. Tri is equal to three. Gono is equal to meanings of sides. और metric is equal to metron या metric. This is measurement. This is trigonometry. Three sides is equal to measurement. This is a next topic is the trigonometry ratio. There are trigonometric ratio. If the triangle, let's consider is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is alphabetic A B C. This is a B is equal to 90 degree. This is right angle. All portion this chapter is the right angle. Not possible is right angle. This is all possible is equal to right angle. This is there are 6 types of trigonometry ratio. First of all, sin theta, sin, cos, tan. This is a is equal to theta. So let A is equal to theta. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta is equal to P by H. This is a theta. This is theta is equal to opposite side is equal to perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. This is right angle opposite is equal to P is a perpendicular. This is hypotenuse H and remaining side is equal to base. This remaining side is equal. Theta is opposite side is equal to perpendicular. B is opposite side. Right angle is opposite side is hypotenuse and remaining side is equal to base. This is A is equal to P by P is equal to BC by AC. This is name. Cos theta is equal to B by H. B is equal to AB. What else? Tan theta is equal to P by B. P is equal to BC bata AC. Remaining things, three ratio is equal to cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. This is a all three ratio. This is a cosec is reciprocal sin theta is equal to H by P. Sec theta is cosec theta reciprocal is equal to H by P. Cot theta reciprocal is equal to tan theta B by P. This is name of H AC bata BC, AC bata by AB and AC bata BC. This is right angle. This is theta. Some angle note is the fixed. This is a theta. So this is a perpendicular or base is equal to always changing and always fixed is the hypotenuse. P this angle theta is equal to perpendicular and this theta is equal to perpendicular. Note is the fixed. This is a base. This is a perpendicular and this is right angle opposite side is equal to hypotenuse and remaining side is equal to base. Next topic trigonometric identity. First of all, sin square theta is equal to cos square theta is equal to 1. This is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third is equal to cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta is equal to 1. This is a three identifications. This is three identification: sin theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square is equal to 1, cos square theta is equal to. If let the triangle, this is a triangle, this is alphabetic noun A B C, this is a hypotenuse, this is theta, this is a perpendicular, this is remaining side equal to base. Again formula h square is equal to p square into p square. Hypotenuse is equal to p square to e square.